And there's some great chassis work with this series. Here's our man, T-Jet. He just does some great thinking. I'm not this much of an artist, but look at that. The way he's got that flex right there. I guess it was a front motor and he didn't like it and he changed it, but look at that. That is so cool. That's why his cars run like they do. Just really neat. And Bopaloo, you got a great chassis. Just really nice there. Just a good solid outfit. Then we have Mr. Rollins, look at there. Equally beauty work, man. Just so many different designs, you know. There's Tad, looking good. Plus, of course, we have our cars that I brought. You know, already showed that chassis, and here, of course. So it's turning out to be quite a thing, and more cars coming. So it's gonna be a blast. All right, just doing some testing here. All right, straight running cars. Every single one of them. Well done, Dad. Good job. All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Huh? Oh, yeah. Let's get you here. George is around. Yeah, tear it up. Wear the shiny blue off of that thing. Oh man. I knew this car was gonna hook up. My goodness. What a rocket. Yeah. Oh boy. Man. Good running. Go. Oh, here you go. Try Dave's there and all right. Yeah. Oh man. That thing is spooky. It's intimidating. Get it? Very, very smooth. Super quiet. She has beautiful cars. Man, this is going to be a fun deal. It's just so cool to see these cars out here. Good thing they don't make these and ready to run. They'd never sell, right? You know.
One in the middle there, give it a shot.
Which one?
The one in the middle there, 28.
Oh, okay. There we go. All right. Little Gordon action. Beauty. Wonder Boy's got a car here. Yeah, this thing's, yeah. Well done, sir. Mr. Rollins, very, very nice. All right, let me get Dave's car back up. Oh yeah, here. Try this old heap. Yeah, this is gonna be a close event. Huh? Yeah, another 10, so 20 something cars. I was saying that in the other video, how impressed I am, how many cars, how many people are stepping up to model this era, and and you know, the oval racing and everything. And it's just,
Good job, good job, man.
yeah. I miss those days of the old drive-through NASCAR Staley did, and we had 10 of them. We didn't know what we had till it's gone, you know.
Back when it said Winston Cup on the side.
Yeah, it sure did. Bill Elliott in a NASCAR and inline, and those are some great cars. There we go. There. Put that one back out there. I'll put this around here. And yeah.
Wow, Bill's is awesome, dude.
Yep, yeah, Mr. That's an iconic car right there. Oh, man, tag. Nailed the color, everything. Just beautiful cars. You guys, once again, my hat's off to you. All of you. So far, you've just done really great work with this. Really enjoy seeing it. Can't wait for the race. You better believe it. Lick a stamp, because we're hauling the mail. All right. Just a quick run. Way to go, guys. Talk to you later. All right, guys. Here's Mark's car. Tim Richmond in progress. Man, beautiful.
Might not make the field if I don't get some decals.
Look at that. Uh-huh. You better believe it. Oh, boy. That'll do.